Hey, what's up, guys? Rebel Men's, Jacob and Company. World is yours. Diamond watch. Factory set VS1 diamonds. All 5 time zones fully functional. Fully paved diamond dial. Again, all factory set. Beautiful diamonds, as you can see. Beautiful shine. Rare to come across this watch. And best price anywhere online. 100% authentic. Here's your US patent number. For those of you who buy Jacobs, just know there's always a patent number in between the lugs. I know there's a lot of fake ones floating around. Just don't get caught up. 47mm casing. Also, those of you who want some knowledge, just know the 40mm don't have a date window. 47s do. This watch is for sale. If you're interested, let me know. Number's posted at the bottom, so make sure you hit me up.